Have you finished up on a job and still not being paid? Well, if you want to limit the chances of delay in the future, the first step is knowing the basics, like what is an invoice? Getting paid on time can be one of the most challenging parts of running a business. Creating an invoice and chasing late payments can feel like a massive time vacuum. Invoicing done smartly will make your life and your customer's life a lot less stressful. So, what exactly is an invoice? An invoice is a request for payment. Making a mistake on your invoice could mean receiving the wrong amount or even the customer refusing to pay. Invoices are also legal tax documents, so you may get in trouble if they don't comply at tax time. Now there's 4 sections of what makes an invoice. Number 1, the seller's details. So that's you, your business name, address, and company logo. All these details are the mainstay on your invoice. 2, the buyer's details. That's your customer. Whether that's an individual or another business, you'll need to make sure these details are correct if you want to be paid. 3, details on what was exchanged. So that could be a list of items or services you provided, along with the cost and quantity of each item listed. And 4, the payment terms. This is where you tell the customer how they can pay, and most importantly, when payment is due. If you're looking for more than an overview, we've made a separate video on how to make an invoice step by step, which you can find here. And here's a pro invoicing tip. Set up a separate email specifically for dealing with invoicing and accounting. For example, accounts@yourcompany.com, and then send all your invoices from that email. This actually has a psychological impact when asking to be paid, and it helps to keep everything in one digital place. And that's it. The basics of what makes an invoice. The invoicing process starts when you take on a job and only truly finishes once you've been paid. If you're after more invoicing content, we've got you sorted with another great explainer. This and much more right here. Give us a like, comment with any questions, and subscribe.